So one thing you got to know from the beginning is that haters are coming. And as your channel grow, you're going to start getting those comments that are just going to upset you. They're going to demotivate you and they're just going to pull you out there. In fact, my first comment ever in YouTube was a person calling me stupid back in 2013. Now, I could have had that affect me, but I didn't. And I was able to build a channel to over 60,000 plus subscribers, a little bit over 20 million views. Obviously not this one, but I was able to do it and I was able to make some money out of it. So again, trolls are coming. By the way, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. So I'm going to tell you 3 ways you could deal with those trolls. The first one is actually going to be quite simple. The last one is going to be the best one, but the first one is going to be nice. I cannot tell you how many times somebody put a comment and I actually taken the time to reply and be nice, and that person have turned around. Literally went from being a prick to actually have a conversation, actually subscribe, and actually be a fan of the channel. I'm going to tell you, it's not going to be something that always happens, but it has happened to me. Now, the second one is going to be to actually call them out and start the argument process. I don't recommend this because I tell you what, as you get bigger, as you get more subscribers, as you get more comments, it's really not fair for those subscribers that watch your videos, those subscribers that interact with you and are part of your community, for you to dedicate your time in the trolls and not them. So again, you won't be able to answer every comment. You won't be able to interact with everybody because it's just the way it is unless you have a team. So concentrate that available time that you have on the good people and not the bad one. So again, arguing, although it could be fun sometimes, is really not something you should do. And the last one is going to be the best one that I actually recommend, is for you to ignore them. Really, these people are not providing any value to you. These people are not getting any value from you neither. And in many cases, watch this, they are looking for you to fight with them so they could utilize your comment and report you and kind of flag your channel. I tell you what, it has happened to me where people put a comment and then they use my comment and they make their own videos and call me out. Years ago, I had a guy who sent me an email and he said, you know what, I don't like the fact that you make videos sitting down. And I was kind of like, I make the video how I want. And I don't remember exactly how I replied, but I was kind of like, hey, I make the videos how I want. If you don't want to watch it, don't watch it. And then he made a video showing print shots of the emails and calling me out. So again, be advised that as you get bigger here in any platform, people are getting what you say and they're editing the videos and they're using it against you. So check it out. Just ignore them. They bring no value to you. They're not looking to get any value out of you. They're just looking to fight. So completely ignore them. Now, one thing that I'm going to tell you that is really, really important that you should do is for you to put filters in your comments. And I do have videos on that in here. And the reason why is because if you put filters, according to your belief system, maybe you don't want any cursing or anything like that, those comments are going to go into a different pile and they won't be here in the community. One of the things that I believe as a creator is that we have the duty to protect our comments and we have the duty to protect the community that we're building. So if we have a troll that is coming here, insulting everybody, screaming at everybody, cursing everybody out, you know what? Don't be afraid to block them. They don't bring value to you. They don't bring value to the community. So get rid of them. So how do you respond to haters? Be nice. Argue with them if you want to. But the best way is to ignore them. Put comments down below.